Ingredients for the syrup: 2 cups of water, 3 cups of sugar, fresh lemon juice, half a teaspoon. Ingredients for the dough: 1 cup of flour, lukewarm water, half a cup, dry yeast, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon salt. To make the syrup, pour the water inside a small saucepan and add the sugar. Stir it under the high heat until the sugar dissolves. Once the sugar dissolved, add the fresh lemon juice. Let the mixture come to boil and start thickening. Once the mixture is reached to the thickness of a watery honey, remove it from the heat and set it and let it cool down. To make the dough, add the lukewarm water, add the dry yeast as well as the sugar and give it a stir. Add the salt and keep stirring the mixture until the yeast is dissolved. Then add the flour into 2 steps and using your hand start kneading it until you form a dough. Please note that the dough for this recipe must be very sticky. Once you reach to a sticky dough, cover the bowl and let it rest in a warm place for half an hour. After half an hour, as you see, it is doubled in the size. To make the lokmas, pour about 2 inches of the oil inside a small saucepan and put it on the high heat. Let the oil to get hot and then form small balls out of the dough and place it inside the oil and let it get golden. Once you have a golden color, remove them from the oil and place it directly inside the cold syrup. Let it stay in the syrup for 10 to 15 seconds and then remove it. Do the same thing for all the dough you have until you finish it. Enjoy this wonderful Turkish sweet.